Okay, question 18 now. We're going to look at a tree diagram. So we've got something to do here with probability, and we know that with tree diagrams the most important part of the question we have to understand is whether or not there is replacement involved, so whether things are put back. So we know that there are only red and green marbles, 5 red, 3 green. So that's what we expect to see in our probabilities down here, because 5 out of the 8 are red, and we know that 3 out of the 8 would be green. Dwayne takes a marble at random from the bag. He does not put the marble back in the bag. Okay, that's really important for us to read and take on board that information. First job is to complete the probability tree. So the probability here being 5/8, as we already said, this will be 3/8 because 3 of the marbles are green. And again, we can see now if we go to the second marble, well, I can very easily fill in this tree because I know that these branches should always sum to 1. So if this is 4 out of 7, then this one here will be 3 out of 7. Of course, the reason behind this is the fact that if I've selected a red, there will be 4 reds left. So I did have 5, I've picked a red, I've now got 4 reds left. And obviously if I had 8 beads and I've taken a red out, I've only got 7 left. I would still have 3 green beads in the bag because I haven't taken a green bead out yet. Now let's think of that the other way around. If I take a green bean out of the bag, then I'm going to only have 2 out of 7 left that are still green. And 5 out of 7 will be red. Okay, next question is about working out a probability. So we want to work out the probability that Dwayne takes different colours of marbles. Different colours of marbles. Okay, so that would have to be a red followed by a green, or a green followed by a red. So I need to work out the probability for both of these situations. Okay, so let's just go back and think to ourselves, if I pick a red followed by a green, so let's go in this direction first, a red followed by a green, that's going to be 5/8 times by 3/7, because I want a red and a green, and meaning multiply, and I get the answer of 15/56. Now thinking the other way, I could get a green and then a red, because it just says it of different colours in the question. Okay, so I could have 3 out of 8 times by 5 out of 7, which also gives me 15 out of 56. So either this event happens or this event happens, so I need to add those two final probabilities together. So I've got 15 out of 56 plus 15 out of 56, giving me a total probability of 30 out of 56. Now I should look at this and think, can I simplify? The answer being yes, the highest common factor of 30 and 56 is 2. So I end up with 15 out of 28 as my final solution.